The perfect chai recipe is a myth because the chai you need on a busy morning is different from the chai you want on a slow, relaxing weekend. So today I'm going to show you 3 varieties you actually need: the 5-minute morning rescue, the slow weekend ritual, and the celebration-worthy showstopper. Making a cup of proper chai is probably the last thing on your mind on a busy Tuesday morning. My commute was 90 minutes long when I had a 9 to 5, and I heavily relied on the coffee machine at work. And while that's completely fine, there is a 5-minute chai that is made exactly for these moments. There are no spices in this chai to keep things straightforward, but make sure you use loose leaf tea for that intensely aromatic flavor. The goal here is to make a chai concentrate, and we want to make it stronger than usual because we're not going to boil the tea leaves with the milk. You can even make this concentrate and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days and drink it cold, a perfect flavorful alternative to iced coffee. I first saw this technique in Old Delhi on one of our annual trips to India, and it's simple but doesn't compromise on flavor.
एक फीकी है ना?
हाँ, एक फीकी।
That's without sugar.
While the 5-minute chai is perfect for a busy weekday, this version is the one I make to treat myself on the weekends. It allows me to slow down and enjoy a quiet moment appreciating the aroma of a masala chai and the significance of this drink. It's so much more than a drink. It's an emotion and a way of life. I love how the floral scent of green cardamom balances the sharp sweetness of the fresh ginger. I use half milk, half water, and infuse the mixture with the spices before adding in the tea. This allows the aromatic oils from the spices to infuse into the milk before the tea interrupts this process. I've made an entire video explaining the science behind each step, and I'll link it for you if you want to go deeper. Boil it together for about 5 minutes for the perfect brew. And this is the core idea. It's not about forcing yourself to make a complex recipe on a busy day. It's about knowing how to choose the right ritual for the right moment. Building a custom plan that fits your personal skill level and your unique schedule is the very first thing I do with my students, because authentic cooking should fit into your real life. Once you've mastered this authentic home-style method, you have the foundation to create something truly extraordinary. So good. Delicious. This brings us to level 3, the celebration chai. One of the biggest joys in life is in feeding others, and this saffron chai is made for that. I follow the same steps as the masala chai, but I omit the ginger and only add the green cardamom. I don't want to overpower the delicate fragrance of the saffron, and the floral aroma of green cardamom complements it perfectly. We also don't want to boil the saffron because it will lose most of its aroma. It packs in all the flavors of the masala chai with a luxurious touch that makes the chai the occasion. Not that you need an occasion to gather with loved ones, but if you do, this is the perfect one. Now comes the final flourish, 2 to 3 threads of saffron just before serving. The aroma here is pure luxury. It's floral from the cardamom with that unique, almost honeyed scent of saffron. It's the kind of scent that instantly makes a moment feel special. This journey is the perfect example of what it means to cook intuitively. It's not about rigid recipes, it's about understanding techniques, honoring tradition, and adapting it all to fit your real modern life. If you're ready to apply this philosophy to all of your Indian cooking and want a guide along the journey, I invite you to join my culinary mentorship program. All the details to connect with me are in the description below.